Here's something interesting. In 1940, our armed forces weren't among the 12 most formidable in the world, but obviously we were going to fight a big war. And Roosevelt said the U.S. would produce 50,000 planes in the next 4 years. Everyone thought it was a joke. And it was, because it turned out we produced 100,000 planes. Give the Air Force an armada that would block the sun.
Do you still have what you wrote that night?
About curing cancer.
Yeah. Read it to me.
Over the past half century, we've split the atom. We've spliced the gene, and we've roamed Tranquility Base. We've reached for the stars, and never have we been closer to having them in our grasp. New science, new technology is making the difference between life and death, and so we need a national commitment equal to this unparalleled moment of possibility. And so I announce to you tonight that I will bring the full resources of the federal government and the full reach of my office to this fundamental goal. We will cure cancer by the end of this decade.
That was nice. I'll pass the notes along.